So my backup camera stopped working. As you can see, when you put it in reverse, it's black. So I have to troubleshoot this to see what's going on. This cable was stuck underneath my battery, and as you can see, it's got frayed wire here and a really frayed wire here. So I got a feeling this is where all my problem lies, right here. So let's fix it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut these two wires so I can reattach them. Okay, I cut off the bad spot. Okay, so we just scotch locked the wires together, and to keep the wires together we put a zip tie on to hold them together so we could have no issues.
And notice you don't have to strip wires when you use scotch locks.
Yep, no stripping needed.
You can see that it's through far enough.
What are you looking at?
Right through there, see the yellow wires went all the way through to the top of the scotch lock?
Okay.
You can see that.
And then you crimp it.
Yeah, then you crimp it.
Alright, let's see if this fixed it. Nope, it still broke. So the old camera that was on this car does not work. It must have got shorted out because of the issue I had with my cable running into it. So I ended up buying a new camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and install that now. So before I had the line running right next to the battery, and it ended up going underneath the battery. So now I'm running it off the side here, and I'm just gonna tape it so it doesn't end up getting back underneath the battery and causing it to mess up. That's the battery's weight, and the car moving has destroyed the wire. And so that's why my camera stopped functioning. And it ended up shorting out the camera on top of it. All right, plugging in the new camera.
Red power, yellow the video.
Yeah. All right, I changed out the backup camera. Let me see if I fix this. Yep, it's fixed. I just have to adjust the camera because it's showing a little bit at the top, but overall it looks like I'm actually gonna solve this problem. Thank you for watching Epic Help.